I'm Mike Stokes with Lush Design Build, and this is part 2 of our attic remodel in Northern California. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of the stairs. We had a very small space to put the stairs in from here to the wall, so we had to do a landing and then a turn. It turned out that we thought we were going to have to do really steep stairs, but it turned out we got about 11 inches and 8 3/4, which was, that's about the maximum I think you can do. An interesting thing here was we did this technique where you cut back at the angle a bit to get a bit of a longer tread. So that's really the only reason that we were able to get 11 inches was by cutting this angle back. That's really all I have to say about the stairs. Let's go ahead and go up to the attic space. Before I go up to the attic space, just want to draw your attention to the roof line here. So if you look, you can see that there's a hip right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this hip and then just take the gable end and extend it all the way out to the wall like you would in a normal house. So this is all going to disappear and then become just a normal gable end so that you can see the river that's out over there. And then if you come on up here, let's see what we've done. So the first thing we had to do is, you're not going to be able, you can see it maybe right here, is the 2x4 ceiling joists that were here. We had to run these 2x8s to get us an actual floor that we could work with. Then the next thing that we realized was that, you can't see it now, but these 2x4s are also too small, and the whole roof was sagging. This house was built in early 1900s. So we had to jack this up and then install these ceiling rafters. And these rafters, since we couldn't get, since we were building it from the bottom up rather than the top down when you normally build rafters, we had to put these 2x8 shims in here in order to fit the rafters in. So there was only one way to get them in, was you fit the rafters in and you had to put the 2x8, and then that would keep it wide enough, which is structurally fine. It's not going to be a problem at all. So the plan is we're going to put a wall here, and then we're also going to put some pony walls at the ends on each side. So then we'll have a nice open space with a couple of beds and some closets. And this will be a nice sort of playroom for the kids. So stay tuned for part 3 when we get the walls in. Oh, and then the next thing that we're doing is we're having this all spray foamed in between these rafters, which should give it a nice insulation.